Aave is a middle-tier cryptocurrency that is currently worth $78.48. It belongs to the group of mineable coins and has a market capitalization of $1,135,856,705. In a simple way, over the past few years, new types of money have gained a strong foothold in the financial world and are now being traded in the same way as traditional assets like stocks, commodities, and new financial structures. Forex, or so they thought, at this generally clear convergence, the undertakings of all market people drove the price up to 78.48, which is where it is now. Aave is a mid-level digital currency because it is currently ranked 43rd in the overall list of digital currencies. Most of the time, the meaning of this line will only become clear much later in a major way. Our cost assumption calculation is usually set up in such a way that it constantly checks both the value and the market capitalization of the digital asset in question. This gives our partners the most accurate information about the current state of the market and its future prospects. Allows the recipients to see how their portfolio is doing and decide if it needs to be changed in a straightforward way. Our analysis is also based on real data that is important for the right evaluation of both the current and expected market structure and the examination of its present and future behavior. Yesterday, July 20th, was worth 73.39 at the end of the two trading meetings. Remember that digital currencies are traded every day, so every trading meeting usually ends at 12 p.m. Most of the time, the cost changes over that time period added up to 4.10, which is a big number. 7 days ago, on July 19th, Aave basically was traded at 74.78 at the end of the trading meeting, which showed a 0% price change from that point to where it is now, or so they thought. On June 13th, which was exactly a month ago, analysts traded Aave at 53.71, which is 46.12 below where it is now. Yesterday, on July 26th, Aave was valued at 73.39 at the end of the two trading sessions. Remember that digital currencies are traded every day, so each trading session typically ends at 12 p.m., which is very important. The price of Aave and the readings of X5000 are not the only thing we look at when making price predictions. For example, on July 19th, explicitly was traded at 74.78 at the end of the trading meeting, which shows a 0% price change from where it is now. Market cap is another important measure that helps brokers decide how popular a digital currency is and what its future prospects are, which is very important. It's also used to look at the offer that exists in the overall digital currency market. Despite what most people think, the equation for figuring out market capitalization is pretty simple. The current supply of the currency in question is multiplied by its current price. Or at least, that's what people thought at the time of calculating the market capitalization of in a real sense remains. Market in a big way in every way that matters. Yesterday, July 20th, the market value of stayed at 1.06 to 129.17 in a simple way that shows what really matters. 7 days prior on July 19th the capitalization of Aave especially was 1.081923,988 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior on June 13th, how much by and large capital streaming around this especially specific market most certainly added up to 774,840,285. In a bit and large huge manner most digital currency financial backers by and large stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain cryptographic money and its capacity to fundamentally endure disturbances, which explicitly are the essentially normal event on this exceptionally unstable market really as opposed to prevalent thinking the kind of most extreme stock of sort of is 16,000,000 of the really all-out supply of Aave as of now sort of stands at 16,000,000 coins in a very large manner. The flowing stock of the digital money under survey explicitly is 14,472 to 658 of showing that most cryptographic money financial backers Especially stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an exceptionally certain digital money and its capacity to in a real sense endure disturbances, which essentially are the especially normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. This off-cost expectation Walden T by and large be in every practical sense complete, without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to really affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move. Sort of additional appearance how underneath you will in a real sense find kind of key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the off-market generally is going, which in every way that really matters is very critical. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain sort of is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there by and large is a fundamentally high likelihood that this move especially is unreasonable and would bring about a bullish snare, which especially shows that, for example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain for the most part is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there truly is a sort of high likelihood that this move truly is impractical and would for the most part bring about a bullish snare genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Thusly, it is vital to in a real sense dissect the past and the really current exchanging volume of a request to fundamentally comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength in an unobtrusive manner especially over the past 24 hours. The off-market by and large had a trading volume of 96.575.370 wins, or so the really thought. Yesterday, July 20th, had a trading volume of 94.162.207. Hits are also used to measure the offer that off holds in the sort of the whole cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions. BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce. Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key support level at $29,500. A triple bottom pattern in the 4-hour window is another sign that this support level is correct. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, show a negative trend. The RSI is at 42, and the MACD is below zero. At $29,995, just below the psychological level of $30,000, the 50-day exponential moving average works as a